Hello and welcome. Today we'll talk about sorting. Now, sorting is one of those Excel functions which is used a lot, but I see that beginners struggle a lot with sorting. There are a couple of steps while sorting the data. Let's say we have a data set as you can see on my screen. Now, let's say we want to sort this data by profit. Let's say we want to sort it by the largest to smallest. We want to sort it by 136,000, which is at the very bottom, which is the largest profit made. We want to sort it by, we want to bring this row at the very top, and then the smallest row which goes at the very bottom. Now, how do we go about doing it? The first step in sorting is that you select the data. If it's a small data set like this, you can select it like this. If it's a large data set, let's say there are thousands of rows, you can say Control A, which will select the whole data set. Then you go into data at the very top, click on sort, click on which column, which header you want to sort it by. Let's say we want to sort it by profit, like profit here. And then if you want to sort it by smallest to largest, leave it as smallest to largest, or make it largest to smallest. Click on OK. And as you can see, the profit column now is from largest to smallest. Now, one of the mistakes beginners also do is when sorting, when they click on sort, let's say we data, we click on sort, they do not select that my data has header. In this case, as you can see, my data has headers. We have names of the columns. We have segment, country, product, discount, right? So we have column headers. So whenever you have column headers, you have to select it. Say my data has headers. In case your data does not have headers, in case your data is like this, okay, which does not have headers. If you want to sort this data, select the whole data, click on sort, and do not select my data as header. And as you can also notice, if you do not select my data as headers, it will tell you to sort by the column name, because the columns do not have any other name now and do not have any other header now. So you'll have to select, in this case, for example, you'll have to select column L, which is the column for the profit. Column L, click on OK, smallest. Okay, as you can see, now the data is sorted by column L from largest to smallest. Simple. This is all there is to sorting. If you have any questions, leave your comments below and I will get back to you. Thank you.